Hi everyone, I'm Bence from Hungary, and in this video I will show you an Invoker script I just created with AutoHotkey. The script allows me to make shortcuts for each pass with predefined hotkeys. For example, if I press the Ctrl key hotkey, then call snap will be casted instantly, and after that it will change back to your previous element state. I will show you this. Just a few more examples. The GUI shows spell combos so I can just memorize them easier. And one important thing, the main goal of the video is not cheating, so please don't ruin your and others' gaming experience. If you are not like me, just practice in bot games. If you want to download the working script, just check the description. Okay, so let's just start the script. One important thing is I also shared a PSD file, so if you want to modify the images, you can do it. Okay. The first important thing is just create a GUI. So I will create a function here. And I start it with GUI command, and this will be last found, always on top, and to window, and caption. Okay, the last one makes the GUI window the last found window for use by the line below. The always on top is pretty straightforward because it will be always on top, and the window is not so important. The minus caption just removes the border of the window. After that we need to set the color of the GUI, and I will set just black here. This is the hex code of the black. After that we will want to transcolor the GUI because I just want to show the pictures. So winset transcolor the black, and I will make it semi-transparent, but we can change it later. Okay, I will set transparent. The width will be 64, and I will create an array here because it will be just easier to see the whole script. I mean, easier to understand. So the first element of the array will be W, and sorry, the width, and okay, the second element will be W and the width variable. Okay. I will also set another variable here because I will store the path in this variable. And now I can add all the pictures I created in Photoshop. This GUI add picture. do the first picture and person's iPad and command snap. Okay, I will create a bunch of more of these lines. Second one will be the tornado. Nice one. Ghost walk. Alacrity. And the last one will be far spread. Good. Now we will show the GUI. This will be GUI show, and yes, we will want to place here. Okay. Okay. Another important thing is because if you click on the GUI, then the GUI will be activated. This means we need to deactivate the GUI somehow. So the first step will be just create another variable and store the HWND of the GUI. And this will be the access command. And after that I need to create a set x style. Okay. Let's check it. Yep, that works. So now I need to remove this command here. So I remove the black border. If you want to change the transparency of the GUI, you can play with these values like this. I will change back to... Okay, now it's semi-transparent. Okay, now we have the GUI here, but we need to cast the path somehow. So I will make a hotkey first, because the image is on nice man. I'm coding, so I pinned one command. Okay, good. Okay, so go back and we need to define a variable as a global variable. So yes, because we need to store the status somehow. We'll create this variable here and this will be QQQ, WWW, and EE. Okay. We need to define another one because I will show you this later. And I also forgot to just create a basic function here because I don't like to use the standard send input command. So I will create more code. This way you can use the send input command as a function, that's all. Okay, so we need to change the state. I will name a function here. I will create change state. And this will be, yes, because we have 3 states, then I need to, okay, this is the 3 state, right? So I will increment this value, which will be I, and I set it global because I will use it in another function, that's all. And here I will create a ternary, because let's say if I get the value of 4, then I need to set back the value to 1. Otherwise, just let's keep it. And yes, I need to send states, and I will use the array. And I bind it to the caps lock. So if I press the caps lock, then I can change between the different states, that's all. Okay, and create a spell function. Okay, I will create an array here where I store all the spells and their combos. It's just easier to read, that's all. And the first one will be the cold snap. And its command will be QQQ. The second one, ghost walk. Sorry, my keyboard is dying, I think. QQW. The third one, ice wall. This one will be the EMP. The tornado. last one is chaos metal. These are arrays, so okay, so we have all the spells and their combos. Right, and just show you an example because not an example because I want to define the hotkeys for each pass. And yeah, here, okay, this means the control Q. This will be Invoker spell. So this way I can use the same function with different spells. Let's just create these. And copy and replace each one. So I defined all the hotkeys, and we need to look through the spells and their combos and send it with the send input function we created at the bottom. And we can do this by look through this array spells. After that, if in string the spells, the whole array, the A index, and the first elements, I mean the spell names. So we will put one here. Oh, I forgot to find a variable here. Okay, let's just name it spell. And so this means if I found the name here, then do something. And if we found it, then we will want to send its hotkey. For example, if we define the call snap, we want to press the QQQ. Okay, send input. the second. Yep. And yes, but we also want to cast it with the R button. And we want to change back to the previous state since we store it as a global variable, so why not? And it will be states. Oh fuck. And here the I. After that we can return immediately. Let's just clean the code. And now we have everything. Okay, sorry, but this one doesn't work because I made a mistake here. That's all. Now it should work. Yes. Let's clean the code and test it. Now we can really try it. Okay, so let's test it. Run the script. As you can see here, we can change between states with caps lock. And just test all the hotkeys, if it works or not. Have fun!